and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a long time since I've posted a video, but I kind of want to start posting some content again. I know, I'll turn it on in just a minute, okay? But we have actually been sick the last few days, and so I am planning on tackling the mess that is our house. So I figured I would kind of do a video of me cleaning things up for you guys. It's my first video back. I'm gonna turn on cars for this little dude while I clean up everything because he's already taken his nap. And yeah, it's probably just gonna be a lot of time lapses and me checking in with you guys. So let's get into it. My son is occupied, so I think I'm gonna get started with cleaning in the living room. I have changed into a short sleeve shirt just because I feel like I can clean better when I don't have long sleeves on. And you'll probably notice the belly. I am pregnant. I'm like 18 weeks along and I've got my iced coffee, but we're gonna go pick up all of the toys first, and then we're gonna vacuum the floors and wipe surfaces down and everything like that. So let's go. I have this oil diffusing, and this diffuser right now, it is Immunity. It's from Eden's Gardens. I think I put 2 drops in there, and then I'm just letting it run for 1 hour. I got the living room all cleaned up and I vacuumed, and he decided he was gonna dump these out while I was vacuuming, which is completely fine. But I'm about to clean them back up and put him back on the couch so I can hopefully mop these floors because they desperately need to be mopped. What are you doing? You good? Okay. But I'm gonna mop the floors and then we will be done with the living room officially, I believe. So yeah, this is gonna be the easiest solution to mopping the floors, just so that way he's not running all over the place, because I know as soon as I get the mop out, he's going to want to help me mop. And I love it that he wants to help, but right now I'm just trying to power through this and get this done. I got the floors mopped, and I actually just cleaned up this right here. I just didn't film it because it literally took like 4 seconds. We have a whole bunch of stuff on the table and then a whole bunch of stuff, this bar right here. My goal is to keep it cleared off, but the last few days it has not been staying cleared off, and I'm ready to get everything off of here and back in its home because it's a lot, honestly. And the table I keep using as a dumping grounds as well. And I really need to get out of the habit of that. Once I pick up something, I need to put it away, not put it down. So let's get all this done. All right, oh, my eye keeps twitching. Okay, so I just finished up the dining room and the kitchen. I also swept and mopped the floors. I wiped down all the counters. I have some dishes in the sink. I'm gonna run the dishwasher tonight, toss these in there tomorrow. I'm not gonna worry about hand washing them. I did rinse out the sink earlier today, like scrub it out and everything, and then I'm going to have to switch the laundry here in a minute because I have cloth diapers in there. But I think that this might just be all that I'm gonna film today for you guys. It was just kind of cleaning these main areas of the house. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you made it to the end of the video. And yeah, I'll be back in a few days to share another video with you guys. I hope that you guys love my crazy hair, and I'm still working on my coffee. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.